Welcome back, guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to add media on Webflow. Webflow Website Builder allows users to add pictures and videos in multiple ways. You can use videos as background or add YouTube videos by creating lightboxes or sliders. You can add various images to your website and make it look more appealing. To add photos, click on the Add option on the top left sidebar menu of your screen. Click on the image box appearing in the Media section. Drag the new images of your preferred site location. Click the gear icon and select Choose Image button. Choose the image uploaded from your desktop and click on the Upload button. And if you want to add videos, it is the same process as photos. Videos make your website more engaging, vibrant, and dynamic. To add videos, click on the Add option. Click on the video box appearing in the Media section. Drag a new video box to your preferred site location and click on the gear icon to select the video settings menu. Now enter the web address of the video in the URL, or you can upload it manually from your desktop. And congratulations, you have added media to your Webflow website. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.